Are you a startup looking to build powerful AI solutions without burning through your entire budget? AI labs for startups are changing the game. They let emerging companies experiment with machine learning models, develop prototypes, and innovate faster, all without massive infrastructure costs. Thanks to cloud computing, open source frameworks, and smarter pricing, startups can now compete with enterprise level organizations at a fraction of the cost. Here's the reality: GPU costs are dropping. Open source models like Llama and Mistral rival expensive proprietary systems, and AI tools are more accessible than ever. The smartest startups are using platforms like Cyfuture AI labs to experiment, build, and scale without breaking the bank. With Cyfuture AI labs, you get access to pre-trained models, GPU resources, and MLOps tools, all optimized for affordability and speed. Whether you're validating your first concept or scaling your MVP, you can build smarter, faster, and leaner. In 2025, the winners won't be the biggest spenders, they'll be the fastest innovators. Start your AI journey today and turn ideas into impact.